Hello guys, in today's video we're going to be making lead scraper, which is basically a Google Sheet that takes product hunt post link and gets his name, the website, and the contact email. It will try to get the contact email from the website, and it will verify that email using the Million Verifier API, and it will try to get the LinkedIn profile from the website and Twitter profile, and it will get the product hunt category, and it will tell us the potentiality of getting this product to go viral. So let's start with this, with getting the product hunt name and the website. What the bot will do basically is go to the link and get the name and the website. So let's run the code. In this code here, it will try to connect to the Google Sheet, to that Google Sheet file. After that, it will read the data in that Google Sheet file, which will get the rows of that file. Let's run the code. After that, it will scrape the product name and the website URL, like we see here, and description and the category. So let's run this code here. If we go to the Google Sheet, we will see that the name and the website and the category have been already filled in automatically. After that, it will try to get the contact email from the website. Let's see if there is any contact email in that website. So if we look for an email, most of the times you will find it at the bottom of the website. Like we see here, there is an email for that website. So let's run the code and see if it can find that email or not. Let's go to here. Let's run the code. If we go to the Google Sheet file, we'll find that it has found an email and a Twitter profile. Like we see here, there is an email and there is a Twitter profile. After that, it will verify that email using the Million Verifier API, which is this one. Let's try to verify it ourselves. It says it is a good email to send to. Let's run the code and see if it gets us the same results. We look here. It says it is a good email to send to. After that, we're gonna be using an LLM API to try to know if that idea has the potentiality to go viral or not. So it will try to put the description of this product in the Grok LLM model, and it will tell it to give us the potentiality of getting this idea to go viral. So let's run the code and see what it says here. Answer by only from giving me a number and tell me if this idea can go viral from 0 to 1. So let's run the code and see. It says it has score of 8, which means it is good idea. It has good potential to go viral. So we can sell our user generated content for this product company. So let's try to run the code and get data for all of these links in here. Let's run the code. After running the bot for a few minutes, it has got us these results, like we see here. It has found us a lot of Twitter accounts, a lot of emails, a lot of LinkedIn profiles to do our outreach to. You see, for this. So this is it for today's project. If you are willing to work with me, please reach out below.